Welcome traders. In this video, we'll walk you through a 15-minute time frame scalping strategy using two buy/sell indicators available on TradingView. This strategy works for forex, gold, crypto, and other assets. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with our future content. Let's dive in. Step 1. Adding the target trend indicator. Open TradingView. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Target Trend. Select the Target Trend indicator by Big Beluga. Configure the settings. Blue triangle equals buy signal. Yellow triangle equals sell signal. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Trend Alert. Select the Trend Alert indicator by its creator. Configure the settings. In the Input tab, set Rest Mount option to 1 hour. In the Style tab, change the appearance to line. Click OK to save. This indicator is used for trend confirmation. Green line equals uptrend confirmation. Red line equals downtrend confirmation. Black line equals no confirmation. Avoid trading. Sell entry setup. Wait for a yellow triangle from the target trend indicator, sell signal. Confirm a downtrend with the trend alert indicator, red line. Ensure the candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, place a sell entry after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the end of the target trend indicator line, take profit. Use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Buy entry setup. Wait for a blue triangle from the target trend indicator, buy signal. Confirm an uptrend with the trend alert indicator, green line. Ensure the candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are met, place a buy entry after the candlestick closes. Stop loss. At the end of the target trend indicator line, take profit. Use a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.